Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to read Roar of a Snore by Marsha Diane Arnold. Pictures by Pierre Pratt, and a shout out to Dolly Parton's Imaginary Library, who provided this book to my home. The sky was dark, the stars were bright. Each Huffle fast asleep that night. Except for Jack, eyes open wide. He tossed and turned and groaned and sighed. Jack heard a noise that rocked the floor. Jack heard a noise that shook the door. Jack heard... What did he hear? A snore! A mighty snore! A clamorous snore! A thundering, ear-splitting roar of a snore! Oh, the hound dog Blue was on the sound asleep. He woofed and sniffled poo at Jack's feet. Wake up, old Blue, and stop that snore. And when I say that, and stop that snore, you say it with me. And old Blue woke up. The snore still roared. And you can say that along with me. The snore still roared. So, Blue and Jack went searching. Across the hall slept Mama Gwen. Her huffs and puffs poof, poof, made curlers spin. Wake up, Mama Gwen, and stop that snore! Mama Gwen woke up. And the snore still roared. So, Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen went searching. Sweet baby Sue slept one floor down. Her high-pitched snore made whistling sound. Wake up, baby Sue, and stop that snore. The snore still roared. So, Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue went searching. Bless you. Way down the stairs, in his favorite chair, snored Papa Ben like a grizzly bear. Wake up, Papa Ben, and stop that snore. Papa Ben woke up. The snore still roared. So, Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue and Papa Ben went searching. Was it you? It was me. In the old porch wing slept the Huffle twins. Jenny Lynn wheezed out, ooh. For Josie Joe wheezed out, ooh, and Jenny Lynn wheezed in. Wake up, you two, and stop that snore. The twins woke up. The snore still roared. So, Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue and Papa Ben, Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn went searching. They found their barn filled up with snores. The sheep, the goat, the cow, and more. There's the sheep, the goat, and the cow, and the more. Wake up, you critters, and stop that snore. The critters woke up. The snore still roared. So, Jack and Blue. So, where's he at? Where's Blue? Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen. Baby Sue and Papa Ben, Josie, Joe and Jenny Lynn, sheep and cow, sheep and goat and cows and hens went searching. Up in the loft, the Huffles climbed. They searched together one more time. They searched the hay with drowsy eyes. They searched the hay, and there they found a Snore surprise! One lost kitten in the hay, snoring all his cares away. While Albie's hogs woggled, cried Jack Hustle cried, his snore's 10,000 times his size. Wake up, little cat, and stop that snore. The Huffles waited. The snore still roared. Now let him sleep, hushed Mama Gwen. He needs his rest. He looks done in. He's traveled far across the field, said Papa Ben. He needs a meal. He needs a home, said Baby Sue. Woof, woof, agreed old Hound Dog Blue. All Huffle eyes were fixed on Jack. Jack sighed. Hi, friends. Then grinned and looked right back. He's found a home. It's our haystack. So Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie, Joe and Jenny Lynn, the sheep and goat and cows and hen joined the little cat and snuggled in. Look at all of them. There's Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Jenny, Jen and Josie, Joe. And sheep and cow and goats and hens are all by that little bitty kitty. Each Huffle added snuffs and puffs and wheezes and whistles and grumbles and puffs. One giant snore sailed through the night. At last the Huffles all slept tonight. But down the road, eyes open wide, Molly Olson tossed and sighed. She heard a snore!